evening to the Honorable Chief Guest, respected Sir and respected teacher. My name is Samriddhi Amit Kakrambe. I am from Standard 8B and I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to give a speech on Independence Day. First of all, I will sing a few lines song. देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का नाम है, हम उस देश के फूल है जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. We all celebrated this day with great joy and enthusiasm. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day for all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. First of all, we hoist our flag, then give a salute and sing a national anthem song. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years because of the hard struggle of Indian freedom fighters. I salute those great freedom fighters who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. After getting independence, we all got our fundamental rights and our motherland in our nation. We should feel proud to be an Indian citizen and took a birth on the independent India. We cannot imagine by sitting here how hard the struggle for India from the British rule. It took many sacrifices of lives of many great freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier means Mangal Pandey in the British force raised his first voice against the British rule for the independence of India. Later, several great freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives and spent their whole lives for getting freedom of India. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad who spent their lives for getting freedom. How we can ignore all the struggle of Netaji and Gandhiji? And Gandhiji, he was a great Indian personalist who had taught the lesson of non-violence to the lesson. He was the one and only who lead the freedom of India with the help of non-violence. Finally, the result of long years of struggle came in front on 15th August 1947, when India got freedom. We are so lucky that our forefathers has given a land of peace and happy, where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day in our school or home. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, schools and many other fields which were almost impossible before the freedom. We are going ahead actively in participating in sports like Olympiads, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in India. Yes, we are free and have full freedom. However, we should not understand ourselves free of responsibilities towards our country. As being a responsible citizen of the country, we should always be there in any emergency condition of the country. Exactly, I want to tell you that our great freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives only for India. We should always respect them, and I am ending my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.